Truth is, which is changeless. Truth is what was, what is, and what will be. Truth is not subject to death, disease, or decay. Truth is the permanent, the changeless reality. That is what is called truth. What is love? Does love change? Bodily love changes. Today we like each other, there is love. Tomorrow we dislike each other, the love goes away. But is that really the love we are talking about? Or is love that which cannot be destroyed, diminished, or extinguished? Is love something which was, which is, and which shall continue? Is love the basis of this entire creation? Is love the basis why we are doing what we are doing? We are all doing some things for our loved ones, for the love of certain things. Our primal instinct is that love. Our basis of functioning in a society, in a family is love. The basis of of this whole way our cities and our countries and our worlds are structured is on love. And this order is not just in human beings, the same order is there even in animals as well. Because you look at when you walk around outside your house, go to a park, and you see dogs, cats, monkeys, and all the animals and the birds, you can actually see them also expressing their love. The love is something which is so primal. It is not just in human beings. And love is the basis of this whole creation. It is the love of life that made universe manifest itself as it is. And our master used to address each one of us as the embodiments of love. And he said the only truth of every being, not just human being, every being, is that they are embodiments of love. That's our true introduction. That's our true reality. So if you're looking for a truth, if you're looking for what is truth, truth is not honesty. That is just one understanding that we have about truth. Truth is changeless reality. Truth is permanence. And our truth and the truth of everyone is love. So therefore, what always prevails is this love. The way this world is fighting today, the way this world is creating a line and dividing itself into the twos cannot be the truth. The only way this world can survive and can prosper is if the truth is that of love. Because it's only the love that can bring all of us together. It's the only bridge in which people can cross over. Violence and vendetta and retribution cannot be the truth. A cheek for a cheek and an eye for an eye cannot be the truth. But if love is the truth, then certainly this world can be a beautiful place. And it is a beautiful place where we all come together in this love, where hearts are expanded instead of being contracted, where we start to feel this sense of oneness, this sense of belongingness, the belongingness that we have and we experience in a family. But in a family, there are a lot of other expectations that come. There are a lot of other complications that come. It's also based on give and take. But in pure love, this expression of truth is so beautiful. So if there is one thing which prevails in the end, the ultimate reality is love. And that's the age which is now being brought. Because if we do not bring this age of love, just imagine if this love does not come through right now with a sense of urgency, with a sense of force and conviction, there's going to be such annihilation that it's going to burn the whole planet. So there is an urgent need for this love. It's important to hold this beautiful, gentle energy of love for everyone to experience it and to become a channel of this love so that we can start sharing this love with more and more people. And this love heals, this love expands, this love grows. This is the only thing which does not reduce in its intensity as time goes by. It actually grows more and more because the law of abundance is based on the law of giving. Give and you shall get. And love is something that the more you give, the more it comes. It's a universal principle. And the more we give, the more healing will come in. This planet needs to be healed. The people need to be healed. And this love that we are holding has the possibility and it has the capability to start healing if it comes from that source of one consciousness. It comes from the source of that purity, which is not contaminated by any personal craving or any personal desires. And we have to step out of that. And by running, nothing is going to be achieved. If you're not making any changes in your own self, it is not going to happen. And if we have that, and if we hold that, and if we are that, then the whole of universe walks along with you. It dances to your tune. It celebrates with you. It laughs with you. It cries with you. It's an integral part of who you are because you've understood the flow and you become one with the flow. I remember a long time back, I had written some lines. They are just coming to me as I speak now. Nowhere to go, nowhere to hide, nowhere to run, nothing to do, nothing to be. It's possible to achieve this nothingness, this stillness in the face of a lot of this physical movement of running around. So, this nothingness has nothing to do with all this action happening around you. So, nothingness lies in the center or the heart of something or everything. and nowhere to be is a point inside the, it's in the center of everywhere. It's like having inaction in the heart of action, stillness in the heart of the storm. Storms are plenty, but the silence, the stillness is what is missing. The whole world is full of storms right now. But if you are still inside, then the elements come to greet you. Today, the two of us were standing on the quay next to the river, and as we stood there, suddenly this beautiful, strong breeze came out of nowhere, and it became almost like a gale. And then within 5 or 7 minutes, it had subsided. And this I have experienced ever since I've come to London and I've come here. This this massive breeze, comes. It's the elements coming in, showing their presence, showing that we are one with those elements. It's their way of saying, hello, I'm there, how are you doing? It's their way of expressing their love. It's a way of us celebrating oneness. And it's a way that we help each other, we calm each other down, and we say, this too shall pass. We say that ultimately it is the love that will prevail. Because this creation was not made for it getting disintegrated. This planet was not made for a dissolution. This planet actually survives everything. So don't have any doubt, don't have any delusion that things are going to go out of hand and there's going to be annihilation. Yes. Changes are coming and they are coming very rapidly. Very, very rapidly they are coming. But those who are holding to the stillness inside were able to hold this truth that the, that the truth that we are seeking is that love, that pure love. For those who are experiencing this love, they will be part of the magic, they'll be part of the miracle, because they will start to heal and they will start to create this circle of joy around them. Because remember, life is a circle, it's a full circle. So this everything comes in this circle. So as we move, we create this circle of possibilities. This love, this joy, this fragrance, this beauty. And it doesn't come from outside. And we hold that potential, we hold that possibility, we are that possibility. And as you experience this energetic connect right now, the strong presence of this energy of pure love that you feel in your heart right now, it comes from the source. And words have nothing to do with it. I know I'm speaking something and I'm trying to make sense to your mind. And I know that you're listening to me, but while your mind is listening, but your heart is experiencing something else. And that's all that matters. Words are only to keep your mind entertained so that your heart can get the energy. You can get the experience of this pure love. So, and this is the real and the unreal. See, the perceived reality comes in the mind, but the real reality, which is changeless, is experienced in the heart. And both go in tandem. Asato ma sadgamaya. Asatya and Satya are always together. The unreal and the real, they are always together. whole day we are actually living in the unreal, but actually undercover the real is trying to get what it needs. Just imagine it has to cheat and hide so that we don't get to know what is the reality. But just imagine if you were to wake up to the reality and understand what's the real. You would not put so much of importance and stress to the unreal. And that's where the letting go starts. And that's where the beauty of this journey starts. And that's where the joy comes in. And that's what you are experiencing right now. So, with that, I want to just say I love you all and keep holding this love in your hearts. Keep experiencing this energy of pure divine love that comes from the source of consciousness. And may you all revel in this love, in this truth. For only love is real. And in love, there is everything. Everything else is a figment of our imagination. समस्त लोका सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्त लोका सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्त लोका सुखिनो भवन्तु ओम शांति शांति शांति